What up everyone, Daniel Delson here. Welcome back to another Texas Chainsaw Massacre video, and today I'm playing Sonny using this all toughness build, because you know the toughness is the attributes. And yeah, let's get into the video. Alright, we're on Nancy's house. Let's do this. Maybe the OG3. I don't know where I'm trying to escape.
What is going on?
I'm gonna get this.
Help! Please.
Yeah, I'll let you guys get the toolbox.
Open doors with this.
Get it.
Connie, you're alive.
I don't mean to latch that. I'm waiting for this coming, great. Oh, he chases them, not me. Alright. Door's unlocked. Okay, I don't think there's the unlock to it because you want another room. Fine. What? Camp. Oh my god, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm about to wake up Grandpa, bro. That's it. Fine. Yeah. Oh my god. We're fine, we're fine, we're fine. On, latch it! I'm gonna go this way.
Thank you.
Unlock one up here.
I've lost them.
It seems quiet.
Unlock this door in. I'll fucking do it. Come on.
Do it.
Nice, we unlocked both of them.
Just go away.
Okay, my lockpick.
Damn it. They won't leave.
Go, 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 go. Fuck. Leatherface might know that we're up here. Let me get the fuse. I know it does spawn. Nice! We got that off. I'm gonna get this one off. Hide, hide, hide. Oh, bro, I'm so, like, revealed here.
Do this.
Can the fuse spawn? Somewhere around here? Give me this big L. Run!
Back now. I got this.
Right, Sonny's ability, he can kind of like. Watch this. Bitch! God damn it. Oh, we're going down.
Hey, what's coming?
God damn it. And he is serrated, bro. Does everyone bring serrated these days? Fuck this, I'm going over here. I'm gonna kick the gen. I'm gonna go to that gate. The fuse could spawn over here. I feel like I'm slower. Because I am. Wait, someone's on the other side of that. I think it's just Hitchhiker camping there.
Come on.
It's victims. I'm gonna go over here. There's two people, so has to be victims. Yes, it is.
Much quiet.
Oh, Jesse.
Get this house.
Sweetie, I know you're here. I can feel it.
Alright. Wait. Sarah's AFK. Alright, I'm gonna turn this off. And so you can unlock that. And then we should... Okay, they should be distracted the generator because we unlocked both the doors, well, 2 of them. 2 out of 3. And they turn off the gen. Turn that off. Okay, check is there. Is anyone else coming? Okay, I don't think so. Yeah, unlock it, unlock it. God, you might have the perk where it takes longer to unlock it. I'll be the lookout.
I need to
Unlock this. Alright, we should be good. I want to break it. Alright. Oh, Clark is coming. I want to type in the chat car batteries open. Come on, Virginia, run. Or that could happen.
Freaks are around here somewhere.
Alright, well, I told them. Try to help. Go, I'm running. Come on, run. Run, Anna. This way. Car batteries open. Come on. Run, run, run. Oh, she's going down. I'm gonna escape. Good luck to Anna.
To make it. I have to.
Alright, let's get on to the next match.
I thought everything was just regular animals.
Alright. We are on gas station. Hitchhiker Cook. Sissy.
Find the others.
Okay. I'm gonna go for Fuse Box.
going on.
Try the most easiest exit.
I know what this is. It might work on those
And the
doors.
second one.
This might
And I'll get this one.
I can get through.
Make a little bit of noise.
This'll help.
There's no Leatherface. I would say just do this. It only makes one noise notification.
Might be. Is this a way out?
Alright, let's go. There's no wait. Connie, wait.
I'm ready.
Alright, no one's up there. Should be good to go.
Damn.
No. Too loud.
Alright, hopefully Fee spawns here. Alright, that's fine.
Okay. I can use this. Here you go, Grandpa.
I don't know where Fees is.
That sounded like a hurt.
They stepped in his trap. Let me check. I don't see a red light. That's Grandpa. Who is that? It's Cook. Alright, go to the distraction over there. This is my time. Come on, stop feeding Grandpa. I have to wait even longer.
I got this.
And Connie's dead.
Clear for now. I should move.
Oh, great, there's a trap. Try to step in it. Fuck it. Fuck, I did that wrong.
Just go away. Damn it.
I'm dead. I'm dead. Move. 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 Oh my god. How am I so alive?
Whoever you are, let's stick together.
Run. 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 Oh, I'm so glad Cook ran. I'd seen him. I would have been dead, bro. My mouth is fucking up there.
Help me! Please!
Let's go. Oh, I think that's gonna be the video. Thank you for watching. And next video, I'm gonna do probably strength building Sonny. All right, bye, and have a good day.